Hello, my friends. I hope you're doing well today. I want to ask you a simple question. Are you living or are you just surviving? At first, these words may sound the same, but when we look deeper, we see that they're very different. Let's talk about what it really means to live and how sometimes we are only surviving without even knowing it. What does it mean to survive? To survive means to stay alive. It means you wake up, eat, work, sleep, and repeat the same thing every day. You do what you need to do. You follow the rules. You try to finish your tasks. Maybe you don't have time to think about yourself or your dreams. You are busy all day, but inside, you feel tired or empty. This is surviving. Many people live this way. They go to work because they must. They take care of others. They do what is needed, but they don't feel joy. Their heart is quiet. Their eyes are tired. They are not excited. They don't feel connected to life. They are breathing, but not living. What does it mean to live? To live means more than just surviving. Living means you feel alive. You feel connected to your life. You have dreams. You have things you enjoy. You feel love, peace, or excitement. You feel like your life has meaning. Even when life is not perfect, you still feel thankful for small things. You still feel joy sometimes. Living means you are not just doing things because you have to. You also do things because you want to. You listen to music and feel something inside. You go outside and enjoy the sky. You laugh with a friend. You rest when you need to. You try new things. You grow. You feel your heart. That is living. Some people live the same day again and again. They wake up, go to work, eat, watch TV, and sleep. The next day, they do the same thing. Nothing changes. This is not real living. This is only surviving. Of course, we need to work and take care of our duties. But if every day feels the same, without joy or new ideas, then maybe we are not truly living. To live fully, we must bring meaning into our days. Meaning does not have to be big or special. It can be small but true. A smile from a stranger, a walk in the park, time with someone you love. These moments help us feel alive. They remind us that life is more than just getting through the day. Let's talk about feelings. When you are only surviving, you often feel tired inside. You may feel empty or like something is missing. Maybe you ask yourself, why do I feel this way? Or, what is wrong with my life? These questions are important. They are signs that your heart wants something more. You are not weak for feeling this way. You are human. When you begin to listen to your heart, you start the journey of living. You start asking real questions. What makes me happy? What do I care about? What kind of life do I want to build? These questions may not have easy answers, but asking them is the first step. It means you are no longer sleeping through your life. You are waking up. Real living means being honest with yourself. Maybe you are in a job you do not like. Maybe you feel lonely. Maybe you always say yes to others but no to yourself. These things hurt your spirit. They make you feel small. But change is possible. It starts with a small decision. To care about your own well-being. To say, I deserve more than just surviving. One powerful way to live more fully is to connect with other people. When we have deep, kind relationships, we feel supported. We feel seen. You don't need many friends. Just one true friend can help you feel alive. Talk about your dreams. Share your fears. Laugh together. These things make life richer. Another way to live more deeply is to try something new. Many people stop learning after a certain age. They think it's too late, but it is never too late to try. You can take a class, read a new book, learn to cook, or even start writing. New experiences wake up the brain. They bring color to your days. They remind you that life still has many gifts to give. Also, don't forget the beauty of slowing down. In this fast world, we often rush. We run from one task to the next. But living is not about speed. Sometimes, the best moments are quiet, sitting with a cup of tea, listening to birds, watching the sunset. In these moments, we find peace. We remember that we are alive. Some people think they need big success to feel alive. But this is not true. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to be rich. You just need to feel connected to yourself, to others, and to life. That connection is what makes life full. Gratitude is also a big part of real living. When we are thankful for the little things, we feel more joy. Try this. Every night before bed, say 3 things you are thankful for. It could be a kind word, a good meal, or a warm blanket. This small habit can change your heart. It helps you see the good that is already in your life. Let's also talk about fear. Fear keeps many people stuck. They are afraid to fail, afraid to be judged, afraid to change. But fear is just a feeling. It does not have to control your life. When you take small steps, fear becomes smaller. You learn that you are stronger than you thought. You learn that life is not about being perfect, it's about being real. Living means making choices. Some choices are hard. But if we want a life with meaning, we must choose with care. Ask yourself, does this bring me peace? Does this help me grow? Is this good for my heart? These questions can guide you to better days. You also need to rest. Many people are tired all the time. Not just tired in their body, but tired in their mind and soul. This is a sign that something needs to change. Rest is not lazy. Rest is wise. It helps you heal. It gives you energy to live well. So take breaks. Say no when you need to. Protect your peace. Let's stop here for a moment. Take a deep breath. Feel the air go in and out. This moment, right now, is your life. Are you present? Or is your mind somewhere else? When we pay attention to the moment, we live more fully. The past is gone. The future is not here yet. But this moment, it is yours. Don't miss it. Some people live with a smile, but inside, they feel empty. They do everything they need to do, but they don't feel happy. They wake up, eat, go to work, talk to people, and go to sleep. But they feel like something is missing. This is what it feels like to just survive. It's like walking through life without seeing the colors. Everything feels gray. Everything feels heavy. But what if we stop for a moment? What if we ask ourselves, what makes me feel alive? Maybe it's painting or singing or dancing. Maybe it's talking with a friend, walking in nature, or watching the sky. Living is not about being busy all the time. It is about feeling. It is about meaning. It is about connection with yourself and with the world. Sometimes we get lost in our goals. We try to get a better job, more money, or more things. We think these things will make us happy. But after getting them, we still feel tired. We still feel empty. That's because real life is not only about doing more. It is about feeling more. Feeling joy, peace, love, and hope. You don't have to do big things to live fully. Even small things can bring joy. Drinking tea in the morning, smiling at someone, watching birds fly, or listening to your favorite song. These moments are small, but they are full of life. When you notice them, you are truly living. Living also means knowing yourself. What do you like? What do you need? What do you dream about? Sometimes we forget to ask these questions. We are too busy. But when we stop and listen to our hearts, we start to know who we really are. And that is the first step to living a full life. Some people say, I don't have time to enjoy life. But maybe we need to make time. Life is not waiting. The days go by, one after another. If we wait too long, we may lose the chance to really live. So, take a deep breath. Look around. What makes your heart feel warm? What makes you smile? Follow that feeling. It's okay to rest. It's okay to take things slow. When you rest, you can feel more. You can hear your thoughts. You can see things clearly. You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be honest with yourself. Are you happy? Are you alive inside? If the answer is no, then it's time to change something. Maybe you need to say no to things that make you feel tired. Maybe you need to say yes to things that bring you joy. Maybe you need to talk to someone. Or maybe you need to spend time alone and think. All of these are steps to living, not just surviving. When we survive, we hide our true feelings. We say, I'm fine, even when we are not. But when we live, we are honest. We say, today is hard, or I need help, or I want more from life. Being honest is not weak. It is brave. It is the first step to a better life. Living means opening your heart. It means feeling the sunshine on your skin. It means laughing, crying, loving, and learning. It means saying thank you for the small things. It means looking at the stars and feeling wonder. It means knowing that your life has meaning, even if it's simple. You are not here just to survive. You are here to live, to feel, to grow, to connect, and to enjoy. Your life is a gift. You don't have to wait for the perfect day to enjoy it. Every day can be beautiful if you choose to see it that way. So, are you living or just surviving? So, take time to think about your life. Are you just doing things or are you feeling alive? Are you just moving or are you growing? You don't have to change everything at once. You can take small steps. Start with one moment, one smile, one deep breath. That can be the start of truly living. Remember, life is not just about working or being busy. Life is also about feeling joy, being kind, and doing what makes your heart happy. You don't need a perfect life. You just need a real one. And that begins when you stop surviving and start living. Thank you so much for listening. Take care of yourself and see you next time.